Ladies, if you've been struggling to undo your invisible locks without breakage, stop right there, because today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to undo your locks without any hair breakage or damage. Welcome to Hair by Sumonya, where we only speak hair, do hair the smart way, and if you love effortless hair transformation, styling hacks, and tips that actually work, you better hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on what's coming next. With just a pair of scissors and a comb, trust me, this trick will save you hours of frustrations. Let's get into it without wasting no time. Takedown time. So the very first step we'll start with is moisturizing your scalp, because the kind of pain that comes with dry removal is nobody's wish. Step 2, scissors alert. Before cutting the extra length extensions, make sure you confirm the exact length of your natural hair. As for me, I know my dummy has like very long hair. I know some of you can relate, and that's why I'm here to help you not to cut your hair. It took me so long to see where the dummy's hair is because it's of the same color as the braid, but patience guys, patience! Hey, finally I got it. So you can now bring in your scissors or scalpel. I'm trying something here, but clearly it's not working. Anyways, carefully snip the extensions, but don't cut your real hair. In my other tutorials, I was speeding up some parts because I thought they were not important. But from now onwards, I'll not be speeding up because I realized some of you miss very important details in my tutorials. We are now at our third step, which is so interesting because of how easy it is to unravel, tangle free I may say, and stress free. If you watched the previous tutorial of how we were installing the invisible locks, you definitely know why we are having two strands. After undoing the twist down to the roots, now remove the crocheted pieces from the natural hair. Now this is where we come in with our comb to take down the natural hair braids that were done to secure the crocheted piece. And do it gently step by step to avoid tangling, which may cause breakage. Undoing the braid down to the scalp is the best feeling ever because of how refreshing it feels. Oh my god. At this point, what do you think about this video? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Even if it's a positive or negative review, it still helps. Thank you so much. Another thing to note while undoing the natural hair, Whenever you see a build-up, make sure you apply conditioner so that it may help it in loosening up easily. If there is a build-up at the roots, use a little conditioner or oil to loosen it up. Also, you can avoid unnecessary breakage by detangling as you go. Don't wait till the end. Kindly. Under protective hairstyles, in my own opinion, I always feel like every hairstyle is protective depending with who does your hair. Not only that, but factors like your hair type, the period of which you'll stay with that hairstyle, and also the proportion of the hair and the extensions you're using. Not to forget how you style your hair really matters. So if you want a protective hairstyle, these are some of the things you should be considering. Start with studying your hair type, then the rest will follow. Pro tips we've learned from this tutorial are: using oil helps to prevent breakage, don't rush, unravel slowly to keep your natural hair intact. If you feel resistant, add more oil and gently work through. Now that the locks are out, don't forget to detangle and get rid of the shed hair. But because this is just a dummy, we're not going to do that. I'm just giving you a tip. Your scalp has been working overtime, girl. Treat it to a deep cleanse and hydration. A good moisturizing treatment will have your hair thanking you every day. And that's how you safely remove invisible locks without any hair damage. I hope it helped. And if you've been keenly watching this tutorial, you would notice that it has been gentle, smooth, satisfying, and damage-free. Girl, if you found this helpful, kindly let me know on the comment section. And please don't forget to like it, because it will push it to more people who want to see these life-saving hacks. And also, if you want to see more of these, more interesting tutorials, more hacks, more styling tips, make sure you hit the notification bell so that it may notify you anytime I post my videos. I love it here. Bye. Let me hope you enjoyed it. Bye.